It's candy corn season, so let's make this indulgent mug cake. We're going to start off with our glaze, about 5 pieces of candy corn. We're going to add water to that, and we're going to microwave in 15-second intervals until it's melted. Take that candy corn glaze and just set it aside. Into our mug, we're going to put in our vegetable oil, and then we're going to add in our milk. And then for just a touch of sweetness, we're going to add in some sugar. Now that glaze is quite sweet, so you don't really need too much. Mix this well here. This is your wet ingredients. Add in self-rising flour. When you add in your flour and you're mixing it, try to just mix until combined, not over mixing the batter. Top with your glaze. I also like to just save just a touch of the glaze for later. So with your toothpick, we're going to swirl that glaze into the batter. I just clean around the mug, and then we're going to head on over to the microwave and microwave this for about a minute. Then remove it from your microwave. You can grab a toothpick just to make sure it's fully cooked. It should come out clean, and then we're going to top it with whipped cream. Grab your glaze and just put it right on top. It gives such a nice bright color and a boost of extra flavor. So just grab your spoon and dig right in. It is so good. So I hope you have an amazing Halloween, and let me know what other recipes you'd love to see. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Head over to savvyhomebody.com for the full recipe. You can also click in the description box below. To continue watching more videos, click right here.